In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the automatic snap feature in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. Automatic snapping can be quite a hassle when you're trying to position your elements just right. Sometimes you might find that the elements you want to move don't behave as you expect them to. Fortunately, there are ways to easily adjust this. First, let's start by opening your Figma file. You can do this by launching Figma and navigating to your project. This is where you'll be able to make all the necessary adjustments to address the snapping issue. If you want to follow along with me, open your design file now. Once your file is open, take a good look at the layer you want to work on. Depending on what you're trying to do, you might be dealing with text, images, or shapes. Regardless of the element, the process remains the same. Now here's the first technique. You want to hold down the Control key on your keyboard. This is essential because it allows you to bypass the automatic snapping. With the Control key pressed, click on the element you want to move. This is where you might need to click it twice with your mouse. Just a quick double click, and then you can drag your element freely around the canvas. By doing this, you will notice that the element can move to your desired position without snapping into the predefined grid. It can be remarkably liberating to have that control, especially when you're trying to create unique designs. Go ahead and experiment with that now. Take your time, move the element around, and see how it feels to have that level of freedom in your design process. It's a small but significant tweak that can make your workflow much smoother. Once you've positioned the element just how you like it, you can simply release the mouse button to drop it in place. And voila, you've managed to move an element without it snapping back to the grid. If you're ever in doubt about snapping again, remember that holding the Control key gives you that control you need. It's a handy little trick that many designers use to ensure precision in their work. Now, before we wrap things up, if you ever want to re-enable the automatic snapping feature, all you have to do is release the Control key and move your element again. It's simple to switch back and forth based on your design needs. So that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to get rid of automatic snap in Figma whenever you need. Remember to practice this technique the next time you're designing, and it'll soon become second nature. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!